Hello, I'm Jerry Beeney with FLIR, and I'm really excited about FLIR's new multispectral imaging experience, or what we call FLIR Mix. FLIR Mix simplifies the workflow for researchers and engineers to expand the possibilities of discovery by combining high-fidelity visual and infrared data. It gives you the ability to control high-performance infrared cameras and a visible camera from one computer using a single software interface and record both data sets into a single file. Time and spatial alignment of the data is easy to do thanks to a workflow wizard which can be utilized before and after the tests. You even have the ability to tweak the alignment at any time to ensure optimal performance. The cool X-Series starter kit is designed to be as simple as possible to set up with one of FLIR's high-performance X-Series cameras. In addition, you are welcome to use the kit with any FLIR camera currently supported in our Research Studio software, though it will add some complexity and potentially variability in the results. And the X-Series starter kit is purchased in addition to the infrared camera, so if you're lucky enough to already have a FLIR X-Series camera, you can easily upgrade to the capabilities of FLIR Mix. When you open the hard-sided case, you'll find a folder on top that contains a quick start guide and all the necessary information about the system. You'll also find license cards for the FLIR Mix Toolkit and the Research Studio Professional Edition 1-year license. To use FLIR Mix, you'll need to have an active and up-to-date Research Studio license along with the FLIR Mix Toolkit license. The Mix Toolkit license is perpetual, so you can receive any updates. The next item in the case is a visible camera. This camera has a 1920 by 1080 pixel resolution that can run over 2,000 frames per second at full resolution, so it's ideal for pairing with our X6900 and X6800 camera systems. We also include a custom mounting bracket to mount the visible camera onto the X-Series camera. This mount aligns the optical paths of both cameras to optimize image alignment and includes vibration dampeners to ensure image stability. We include a 35mm C-mount lens. We chose this lens for data acquisitions at shorter distances, but you can purchase any standard C-mount lenses online to meet your field of view requirements. Next is a Coax Express to Thunderbolt interface box. Both the X-Series camera and the visible camera will connect to this interface through the included BNC and HD BNC cables. By doing this, you're able to use a single Thunderbolt 3 cable to connect the system to your computer. And Thunderbolt is a fairly common interface now on Mac, Windows, and Linux computers. For more details on this, please refer to our detailed connection video. Finally, we include a custom power and synchronization cable assembly. This cable is used to power both cameras from a single power supply and synchronize the frame timing on both cameras. Once again, this starter kit is designed to have everything you need to start mixing thermal and visible data. Please refer to our connection video for more detailed steps on connecting everything and getting your first images with the system. As always, please feel free to contact your local FLIR sales engineer or FLIR science partner to discuss your application and learn how FLIR Mix can accelerate your discoveries.